Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queen. Today's project was inspired by Cozy Junk Studio. I recently just found her from our friend Carol. She sent me one of Sharon's videos and I've been hooked ever since. So Cozy Junk did a cute white and black snowman. Obviously we're going to make ours, but that's the inspiration. So clean any glass jar with some alcohol and then take a sponge with some black chalk paint and do a couple layers, drying in between until you get it how you like it. I only use a brush in the detailed parts up top so that I don't have any puddles. I like using sponges on jars because then you don't have a bunch of brush stroke marks. Once your black is on there and dry, you can do your white. And again, I just dabbed it on using a sponge and dried in between my layers. We're going to take some blush from the Dollar Tree and a makeup brush and add our cheeks. And I do use a clean brush to get the excess off. This will all be spray sealed outside, so our cheeks should stay on long term. Then I'm just using a black paint marker and we're going to give him a little personality. So he's got some eyebrows, a mouth, here's his little freckle. We'll do some eyeballs and we'll do a cute orange nose. You could add a hat, a scarf, arms. You could do an entire snowman body instead of just the head. Now I like this Harvest Orange by Apple Barrel because it's a little bit darker than a bright orange. And I'm just going to draw a wonky nose. I used to collect snowmen, and now that I'm a crafter, I craft a lot of snowmen, so I do my faces all different styles, shapes, ways. I have seen really beautiful collections with similar faces, and those are cute too, but I like them each to have their own little personality. So the same with the black and the white. You're just going to dry between each layer of orange, and then we're going to take a toothbrush and some white paint, and we are going to give it some tiny little specks. Then we're going to take a toothbrush with some white paint and water and give it some bigger splatters and specks. This, of course, is the blizzard that Frosty is in currently. You could do this with silver as well, or gold. I think that'd be cool. Then all that's left is to embellish, so grab whatever you want. I wanted mine to be something you could leave out all winter, so I did not go Christmassy, but now I want to make 10 more, and I definitely want some Christmassy ones. For this dude, I did some twine, a clear snowflake, some greenery, and a cute little bow. And you just keep adding until you get it the way you like. I want to thank Sharon at Cozy Junk Studio and Miss Carol for sharing, Miss Sharon. I have been so inspired by so many of her projects, and I think you turned out so stinking cute. Thank y'all for watching. Feel free to subscribe, follow, comment, like, all the good stuff. We are on almost all of the social media platforms that I know of. Thanks again. Have a great day.